Hi everyone. In the previous video we have seen alter table command, right? Alter table, and in this video I'll try to give you one more idea that what mistake generally people do while altering the table, so you can avoid that mistake and you can get your work done easily. So for example, you are trying to add a column in the existing table. So let me go to the SQL developer. We have a table called employee backup, right? So let me do a query on this table. So we have this table, right? Now what I want to do is I want to add a new column to this table. So what will be the command? This will be the command, right? Alter table. You have to use the table name employee underscore backup, alter table name, and I can say add, and I have to give column name. So for example, I want to add store ID. Just randomly I'm giving a name store ID. It can be varchar2. It is size is 50 and I can say not null, right? And let me run this command. So it says table must be empty to add a mandatory not null column. Table must be empty to add a mandatory not null column. That means for the first time you're trying to add this column, right? For the first time you're trying to add this column and you are saying that it should be not null. So that's not possible, right? Because for the first time, if you're adding this column, it will have a null value. By default, it will have a null value. And in the alter table command itself, you're restricting this column to be not null. And that's not possible, right? So if you remove this not null, and then if you try to add this column, then it will work, right? It says table employee backup is altered. Do a query on this table and you can see that store ID column is there. You can see the store ID column, right? This is the store ID column and you have a null values over here, right? So that's how it is. You understood? I hope you understood the concept. Now on top of this concept only, I'll teach you one more concept in the next video which is related to this. So if you know this, then you will be able to get the next concept which I'm going to teach you in the next video. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you so much for watching.